good afternoon everyone. So right now we're in Tutuban. Ano aim natin for today is makabili ng worth 200 pesos for exchange gift and yung pinaka lagayan na parang lutpot something.
The snow is falling softly like it knows on.
So, nakalabas na ako sa Tutuban. Ang init! Ano yan? Siyempre hindi. Ako nga hindi ko makita eh. Init. We're currently searching for the Pasilio number and letter. Yun. Ito lang pala siya sa loob. Ate, excuse me po. May ganito po kayo. Ito pa. Wala pa. Online lang po, ina-order. Sige po, thank you po. So, wala dun sa unang store yung hinahanap ko. Magkano po sa ganito? 250. 250.
Isang pack niya 100, ay ano, 20. Tira.
Sige po, thank you. Ito? Sa dulo. I already saw the Pasilio na hinahanap ko. But I'm searching now for the ano na.
Tatanggap.
Tinanggal ko na yung cup ko kasi sobrang init na yung sa taas. So, bigo. Wala yung gusto ko orderin. What we're going to do is to find an alternative exchange for tomorrow. Bakit kasi out of stock? Sa Shopee kasi hindi siya gumagalaw. So, order ka mismo. Ate, magkano yung sa hanger nyo?
50 na lang po ito, aesthetic.
50. Sige, balik ako ate. Pangre-regalo ko kasi. Balik po ako. Ay, sige kuya, wait lang. Baka ampas sa akin eh. Una ko lang sa isip is yung kawali. Second is yung
The snow is falling softly like it knows our name. Lights are glowing warmly but this year feels the same. I'm staring out the window, wondering where. The snow is falling softly, like it knows our name. Lights are glowing warmly, but this year feels the same. I'm staring out the window, wondering where you are. The empty chair beside me tells me you've gone too far.
The tree stands tall with memories, ornaments we made. I can almost hear your laughter in the holiday parade. But tonight there's a silence I can't seem to shake. I wish you'd come back home for Christmas' sake. I'll make my Christmas list, wishing you'd return. Light the fire, let it burn. It's not the gifts, it's you I miss. Right here beside me, Christmas bliss.
The carols bring me back, the scent of pine spice. I wrap my feelings tight, hoping for one more night. The streets are crowded, but I'm lost in thought, wishing for the love that time has called.
Christmas has a way of healing, just like you said. It's the time we let go of the words we left unsaid. I make my Christmas list, wishing you'd return. Light the fire, let it burn. It's not the gifts, it's you I miss. Right here beside me, Christmas bliss.
Snowflakes fall, remind me of your touch. If I could wish, it would be so much. Come back home, hold me near. Let's make this Christmas perfect, my dear.
I make my Christmas list, wishing you'd return. Light the fire, let it burn. It's not the gifts, it's you I miss. Right here beside me, Christmas bliss.
It's you and me under the tree this Christmas time, just you and me.